Hi bakers and makers, welcome to Global Bakes, and today I'm going to show you how a really simple technique to transfer designs onto cookies for decorating. You're just going to need some tissue paper, edible marker, and an image that you want to trace. I like to define the image a little bit here using your edible marker. This is not totally mandatory, but it just makes it easier to see it through the tissue paper. So just trace your design, and I use the edible marker here, and then I'm going to take the tissue paper, the kind that you would use for wrapping a present, and place it over your image. And now you can see that the whole design shows up, and especially those black lines that you just traced. Use an edible marker and just trace the image again. This way you don't have to do a mirror image the way you would with some transfer techniques. You just trace it right over, and there's your image on your tissue paper. Now remove the printed image. Grab a cookie that you want to put your design on and place it where you'd like. And again, trace using an edible marker. And this is going to transfer just enough of the ink through the tissue paper onto the cookie so that you can see where to pipe when you want to design your cookie. And there you go. You can see that you've got an image that's transferred, and now you can pipe it, fill it, paint it, whatever you want to do with your cookie, but you've just very easily transferred a design onto a cookie, just like an artist. Thanks for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed this video, and take a look at my full decorating tutorial on my website at globalbakes.com.